Hello everyone, welcome back to our Freshish Now YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about WCL Mining Siddhar and Surveyor Jobs notification. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and be a part of our YouTube family. And don't skip, watch the video till the end. And if you want to download this notification, we have provided the link in the description box. You can download this notification from that link. And before going to the complete details of this notification, let's see the overview. The organization that has released this notification is Western Coalfields Limited WCL for the post Mining Siddhar in T&S Grade C and Surveyor Mining in T&S Grade B, and total 135 post vacancies are released in this notification, and the application starting date is 21st January 2023, that is today, and the applications will be closed by 10th February 2023, and the last date of receipt of application through speed post at WCL is 20th February 2023. And you can apply for this notification both online as well as offline, and the job location is Nagpur. And if you have any queries, you can go through this official website westerncoal.in. Let's see the vacancies. As I said above, there are total 135 post vacancies in this notification. In that 135 post vacancies, there are 107 post vacancies for Mining Siddhar in T&S Grade C post and 28 post vacancies for Surveyor Mining in T&S Grade B post. Let's see the educational qualifications for this post. For the Mining Siddhar in T&S Grade C post, you should have matriculation or any equivalent qualification. Along with that matriculation, you should have valid Mining Siddhar certificate of competency which was issued by the DGMS, or you may have diploma in mining engineering. Along with that diploma, you should have valid Overman certificate of competency which is issued by DGMS. Along with this matriculation or diploma and a valid Mining Siddhar certificate or Overman certificate, you should have valid gas testing certificate which is issued by DGMS and valid first aid certificate. And for the post Surveyor Mining in T&S Grade B post, you should have matriculation or diploma in mining and mine surveying. Along with this matriculation or diploma, you should have Surveyor Certificate of Competency issued by DGMS. Let's see the salary of this post. For the post Mining Siddhar, you will receive 31,582 rupees per month, and for the post Surveyor, you will receive 34,391 rupees per month. Coming to the age limit details, all the candidates who are applying for these job vacancies should not be less than 18 years, and the upper age limit is 30 years as per the notification, that is 19th January 2023, and the age relaxation is applicable in this notification. And for SC/ST, the age relaxation is 5 years, and for OBC candidates, the age relaxation is 3 years. Coming to the selection process, all the candidates will be selected based on the marks obtained in the written test, and the mode of exam, venue and date of examination will be communicated to the candidates through the WCL website. And at last, we can see the application fee for unreserved and OBC EWS category candidates. The total charges of application fee is 1,180 rupees, and for SC/ST, PWD and ESM and departmental candidates, there is no application fee. So this is the brief information of WCL jobs notification. If you want to download this, we had provided the link. We had also provided the apply link in the description box, but the link will be activated today. And here you can see the address to which you have to send your application. So hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.